Hi, welcome back. I'm Kai, a Japanese teacher. Did you know that Japanese has tons of idiom using parts of the body, like head, face, hand, neck? So today, we'll focus on expression using kao. Let's get started. Itadakimasu! First up, idiom using kao, which means face. In English, we say things like losing face or saving face. In Japanese, we have even more expression. So let's check this out. So first one is 顔が広い. 顔が広い. 顔 means face, and 広い means wide. So does this mean someone has a big face, or maybe they're really popular? It actually means to know a lot of people or to have many connections. That's 顔が広い. So in the past, if someone know many important people and their face was recognized everywhere, we say 顔が広い for someone well connected or well known. 顔が広い. For example, you are hanging out with your friend named Kevin, and wherever you go, people say hi to him. It turns out that they're all his friends and acquaintances, so you say, ねえ、ケビン君、顔が広いね. Another situation, you want to go to a concert, but it's sold out. However, Kevin has an extra VIP ticket from his acquaintance and invites you. So, コンサート行きたいんだけど、チケット売り切れてたよ。はあ。VIP チケット1枚余ってるけど、一緒に行かない？いいの？っていうか、どうやってゲットしたの？知り合いからもらったよ。ケビン君、顔広いんだね。顔が広い？顔が広い。Next、顔色を伺う。顔色を伺う。So guess the meaning. 顔色？顔 means face, 色 means color. So 顔色 means face color. And 伺う is to check or to observe. Does it mean checking if someone is sick? Not exactly. It actually means to carefully observe someone's mood. For example, you can use it in this kind of situation. You want to ask your boss for the raise, but they seem stressed today. So, 部長、ちょっとイライラしてるみたいだから、今は顔を伺ってた方がいいね。そうだね。今聞いたら怒られそう。Next、顔に泥を塗る。顔に泥を塗る。Guess the meaning. 顔 is face and 泥 is mud. 塗る is to smear. Wait, so this means putting mud on someone's face? Sounds like an insult. Exactly. It means to bring shame or dishonor to someone. A clean face represented a dignity and honor. If someone smeared mud on your face, it symbolized humiliation. You can use this expression in this kind of situation. Your friend cheated on the college entrance test and got caught. So their school reputation is ruined. It's not good anymore. So, カンニングしてバレるなんて学校の顔に泥を塗ったようなものだよ。Getting caught cheating is like bringing shame to the school. Another example, your boss asked you to make a presentation at an important meeting, and he helped you a lot, but you made a horrible mistake, and his reputation became not great as before. So, 大事な会議でミスをして、上司の顔に泥を塗ってしまった。Next、顔向けできない。顔向け できない。What is this? 顔向けは facing someone. 顔向け。できない means cannot do. It's used when you feel deep regret or shame, often for failing someone important. So, 顔向けできない。You can use 顔向けできない in this kind of situation. You promised your parents you'd study hard, but you failed an important exam. So you can say, 試験に落ちちゃったから親に顔向けできないよ。I failed the test, so I cannot face my parent. And that's it. How many did you guess correctly? Comment below. Tell me which word you would like to use in the next conversation. Try using this idiom in your Japanese conversation and show off your Japanese skill. はい。では、I hope you have a wonderful day. I will see you in the video. Okay? じゃあまたね。バイバイ。